हेलो एवरीवन, डेली यूज सेंटेंस लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्या तुम तैयार हो? आर यू रेडी? आर यू रेडी? तुम कब आओगे? व्हेन विल यू कम? व्हेन विल यू कम? क्या हम यहाँ रुक सकते हैं? कैन वी स्टे हेयर? कैन वी स्टे हेयर? ये कितना पुराना है? हाउ ओल्ड इज दिस? हाउ ओल्ड इज दिस? तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? ये कहाँ रखा है? Where is this kept? Where is this kept? तुम अब कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? तुम्हें ये क्यों चाहिए? Why do you need this? Why do you need this? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell her? Did you tell her? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see her? When did you see her? तुमने इसे कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? ये कब शुरू होगा? When will this start? When will this start? क्या तुमने उसे माफ़ किया? Did you forgive him? Did you forgive him? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? तुम कब सोओगे? When will you sleep? When will you sleep? ये किसने बनाया है? Who made this? Who made this? तुम कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming? When are you coming? क्या तुमने उसे मारा? Did you hit him? Did you hit him? तुम ये कैसे करोगे? How will you do this? How will you do this? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? ये कितना बड़ा है? How big is this? How big is this? तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? क्या वे अभी सो रहा है? Is he sleeping now? Is he sleeping now? तुम्हें क्या मिल गया है? What have you found? What have you found? मुझे तुम्हारा उत्तर चाहिए। I need your answer. I need your answer. ये किसने तोड़ा? Who broke this? Who broke this? क्या हम अब बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk now? Can we talk now? तुमने ये क्यों फेंका? Why did you throw this? Why did you throw this? तुम कब खेलोगे? When will you play? When will you play? क्या हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं? Can we go there? Can we go there? तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep this? Where did you keep this? तुम कौन सी किताब पढ़ रहे हो? Which book are you reading? Which book are you reading? तुमने दरवाज़ा बंद किया? Did you close the door? Did you close the door? क्या वह तुम्हारी बहन है? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? तुम्हें पानी चाहिए? Do you need water? Do you need water? क्या हम इसे देख सकते हैं? Can we see this? Can we see this? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं बताते? Why don't you tell me? Why don't you tell me? ये किसने कहा था? Who said this? Who said this? तुम कब खाओगे? When will you eat? When will you eat? तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? ये कब तैयार होगा? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? क्या ये तुम्हारा बैग है? Is this your bag? Is this your bag? तुमने उसे फ़ोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? क्या वह सच में आया था? Did he really come? Did he really come? तुमने अपना काम किया? Did you do your work? Did you do your work? ये कौन से रंग का है? वॉट कलर इज़ दिस? वॉट कलर इज़ दिस? तुमने क्या सोचा था? वॉट डिड यू थिंक? वॉट डिड यू थिंक? क्या हम कल मिल सकते हैं? कैन वी मीट टुमारो? कैन वी मीट टुमारो? तुम कब तक रुकोगे? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू स्टे? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू स्टे? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? तुमने ये क्यों खरीदा? Why did you buy this? Why did you buy this? क्या तुमने किताब पढ़ी? Did you read the book? Did you read the book? तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? क्या तुम उसे देख सकते हो? Can you see him? Can you see him? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? ये किसने लिखा? Who wrote this? Who wrote this? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Whom are you going to meet? Whom are you going to meet? ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज़ हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? तुमने ये कब बनाया? When did you make this? When did you make this? तुम मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? तुमने ये कब भेजा? When did you send this? When did you send this? क्या तुम इसे लाए हो? Did you bring this? Did you bring this? तुमने इसे क्यों खोला? Why did you open it? Why did you open it? तुमने ये कहाँ पढ़ा? Where did you read this? Where did you read this? क्या वे अभी आ रहा है? Is he coming now? Is he coming now? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whom are you talking to? Whom are you talking to? ये किसके लिए भेजा गया है? Who is this sent for? Who is this sent for? तुम ये कब करोगे? When will you do this? When will you do this? तुम्हें अब क्या चाहिए? What do you need now? What do you need now? तुम किसके साथ आओगे? Who will you come with? Who will you come with? तुमने ये किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे? Whom were you waiting for? Whom were you waiting for? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? तुमने इसे क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave it? Why did you leave it? तुम किसे पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like?